Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Alexandra here. So I'm going to do a different kind of video today. I've had quite a few requests from my viewers to do a mukbang style video and to eat out in public, because I have braces and some people find eating out in public daunting or embarrassing, or they feel a bit self-conscious. So I don't particularly feel self-conscious about eating. I think it's because I love my food too much to even care what people are thinking or if they're looking at me. So I'm in a park at the moment and the weather is really nice today, so it is quite busy. And for food I have a poke bowl, so salmon, rice, crispy onions, veggies and dressing, and then I also have some sushi, so salmon and cream cheese sushi, with some avocado rolls in there as well with a spicy sauce. It's my favourite, one of my favourite foods. So yeah, just gonna put the dressing on my poke bowl. Is that how you pronounce it? Poke bowl? Poke bowl? I don't know, guys. I don't know what dressing this is. Soy sauce and something else. I'm not sure. So, how have you all been? Comment down below what the weather is like where you are. I know that I have quite a few viewers from America. So comment down below what the weather is like in the state where you're living at the moment. I know in the UK the temperature is getting nice and warm, although in true English weather style it's not gonna last. It's dipping up and down, and it's 20 degrees at the moment and it is quite warm. I feel like I need to take this off. But on Friday it's going back down to 13 degrees, so it just goes to show, guys, how up and down and crazy this weather is. So yeah, I just mixed in my bowl. Can't really show you because it's gonna tip, but yeah. Nice and soft for braces. I've got my phone balancing on my bag on the grass. I came so unprepared. I should have brought my tripod and then it would have been much more convenient. Let me see if I can show you my flies poke bowl. So yeah, that's what it looks like mixed in. And then this is my sushi, which I haven't opened yet. I'm gonna eat after if I can fit it all in. So yeah, I took my hoodie off because man, it's hot. So when I'm out, if I'm at someone's house, I will take my little kit, my little dental kit, which is what I got given when I first got my braces on. So it's just a small travel size orthodontic toothbrush, travel size toothpaste, and then my interdental brushes, and my wax. And I will take that in with me in like a little bag or like a little lunchbox thing. But when I'm eating out, like now for example, I don't really bother. As long as I have a drink where I can just quickly swish my mouth, it's not really an issue. I think people think I'm talking to myself. which technically I am. I'm getting some rather strange looks, but yeah, like I said, don't really care much. I mean, it's 2024, right? Everyone knows everyone is like vlogging something, so so yeah, if you like this video, then I will do a mukbang style video every Wednesday. That's the plan. I've always wanted to start some kind of mukbang channel or ASMR channel, because I binge watch ASMR mukbang videos. So yeah, I find them, I don't know, entertaining. Watching people eat, I don't know. I think especially those ones that have a broad variety of food in their videos. I don't particularly enjoy the ones that just like post constantly, like McDonald's, KFC, like the junk food ones. I like the sushi ones, and people that do all different kinds of cuisine from around the world. I find that really interesting. But yeah, this is really refreshing, really nice for lunch. So just got a Dr. Pepper, being a bit naughty, because technically you're not supposed to have any fizzy drinks or drinks that's going to stain your braces. I couldn't keep to that, guys. I'm sorry, but when it starts to get warmer, I just have to have a Coke or a Dr. Pepper. Oh my god, this setup is terrible. My motto is, as long, so many flies, gosh, after my food. As long as you brush your teeth within 1 hour of having anything dark coloured, which I always do, it shouldn't really stain. And I've not had any staining issues it's coming up to 6 months now that I've had my braces. I haven't noticed any discoloration, and my ortho said that I'm keeping my braces really nice and clean. My next upcoming video, I've said this like 100 times, I swear, but updated oral hygiene routine, which is super basic and boring, because I had to stop using my water pick because due to the chronic sensitivity that I have, it just makes it 1,000 times worse. So I literally just brush my teeth 2 times, once to get all the food out and then a second time to clean them with my ortho brush, do a quick mouthwash, put my wax wherever I need it, and that's basically it. So if you want to see that, I mean, it's ultra boring and basic, but if you still want to see that, then I'm more than happy to upload that kind of video. when I was younger, I never liked salmon. Now I can't get enough of it. It's crazy how our tastes change. Ladybird just switched on my face. Lovely. Apparently it's going to rain soon. So I'm filming this video hoping and praying that it doesn't start raining. Comment down below what's your favourite sushi roll. Mine is probably salmon with like some kind of avocado in it. Finished. Time to open my sushi. The thing with me is I eat super fast. Like, that was actually slow for me. I eat really, really fast. But I've done it since I was a kid. So it doesn't give me indigestion or anything. I can't eat like any slower. I just can't. It's weird. Okay, so spicy sauce. Let's see if I can open it. Probably can't. Why do they make these things so tight where you actually need scissors when they're supposed to be takeaway packets? My God. It's literally sprayed all over the grass. Okay. I'm just going to put a little bit on each roll, like so. And my soy sauce. Good job. I have lots of tissues and wipes in my bag. This is the salmon and salmon and cream cheese, and then it's just got the sauce, spicy mayo sauce. I think it's sriracha and mayo on the top. That's spicy. Ooh. It's got a kick. I always buy my sushi and my bowls from Tesco because I used to buy my sushi from Lidl. They changed their sushi up constantly, and I got to really like one, and they don't do it anymore. But Tesco has, like, they never discontinue their stock, so I know my go-tos. So this is just cream cheese and pepper, red pepper. Avocado and cream cheese. This might be controversial, but I prefer Dr. Pepper to Coke. Don't come for me. I could have eaten like 2 of those poke bowls. So light and soft. Just what you need when you have braces, right? So I'm done with my food. It was delicious. So I just want to show you my teeth. There's a little bit like a seed there, but that's it, like nothing major. It's stuck in my braces right now. Nothing that can't be swished with some drink. So yeah, I hope that's helped someone who was wondering, you know, what it's like to eat outside in public. Although it's not public like a restaurant or something. I'll probably do that when I have the opportunity to. But still, there is nothing to be afraid of or self-conscious about eating in public places. It's totally fine, totally normal. Nobody really cares, to be honest, or at least I haven't experienced anyone really bothering to notice me much, apart from them thinking that I'm talking to myself when I'm talking to my phone. That's the only thing that people really notice. But eating, yeah, no one cares. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you would like to see a mukbang every Wednesday, and if you want me to do any more videos that maybe you are too afraid to do outside in public, like, I don't know, eating at a particular restaurant or cafe or something, comment down below. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.